Today I'll be showing you how to. Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'll be showing you how to use Scallion to create a custom onion domain for your hidden service. And let's not waste any time, let's jump straight into it. So the one prerequisite to all this is you want to have a GPU that supports OpenCL. And I was having issues with my AMD card doing this, so I actually bought a Quadro K600 off of eBay for literally 20 bucks and it works flawlessly. So if you have an AMD card and you're having trouble, I'd recommend just buying a new card for like 20 bucks off of eBay. And so once you have that done, you want to create a server to host your hidden service, and I'm using XAMPP. And once you have all this configured, now we want Tor to actually give us an onion domain to use for our hidden service. So to do this, you want to go to the Torque file, and it would be under here, under Tor browser, data, Tor, and then Toric. You want to double click on this and open it in Notepad. And once you have this open in Notepad, this is the command we're going to put in. And what this is hidden service directory, and you're going to create this directory to store your host name and your keys and all that. And then this is just the IP address and the ports that are going to be on it. So we're just using port 80. And we'll close that. And you'll go into the Torque file, just go under all these, paste it. And make sure you do have this created. I have mine right here on my desktop. And so once you save this and you start Tor, you actually see this populate. And there it is. Now it's populated. We open this up, we can see authorized clients, hostname, public key, secret key. So we double click on the hostname and we open this up in Notepad. We can see our onion domain is right here. Oh. And this is just a long string of random letters and numbers, and this isn't very useful, so that's why we're going to use Scallion to shorten this by a ton and have a custom URL. So if we go in here and we paste this in, our website's actually going to pop up. Now I just created a fuck around website. I've been doing a lot of CompTIA certifications, so I just created this just to fuck around. And so now that we can see this actually worked, we can close Tor. And this is when we could actually use Scallion. So we're going to go back to our main machine right here. You'll open the command prompt. And you'll want to browse to directory. I have Scallion right here. So you browse to where it's under. Copy the directory, cd, paste the directory. And now that we're in the directory, this is the command that we're going to use. Scallion.exe-o keys.txt, which is where it's going to store it, -k 1024, and then whatever prefix we want it to use. So we're just going to copy this. Copy that, paste it here, and then this is where you're going to make for whatever you want your website to be. So I'm just going to put Ruckus. Press enter, and we see it started. And this will only take a second. Depending on how long you make this, the longer it's going to take. So I just made mine, what is this, 5 characters, so it took literally just 1 second to do. And we see we have our private key here, along with our onion domain. We see this is a lot shorter than the one that auto-generated. So once you have this created, we're gonna actually see if it's saved. Yep, keys.txt right here. Open this up. This is everything we need. So what I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna put this in our scales folder right here. Replace this. I already have one created. So now that we replace this, I'll be able to get this on my virtual machine I created. So I go in here. Let's go to scales, keys. I open this up. Here's everything that we'll need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually create a folder in the same. Go to documents. And then I'll create a folder. I'll just call this hidden_service. Once you create that, you want to create 2 different files. So I'll just go in here. I'll create one called hostname. Yes, replace it. And I'll also create one called private key. Private_key. Oop, and you want to get rid of the text. You just want this to be a file document. Boom. Okay, now that you have these 2 created, we'll actually go in here and we'll copy and paste our onion domain. Oops. So just take this guy. Open up our hostname folder, copy that in there, save it, and then we'll go in here and you'll want to copy your private key. So from when the dashes start all the way to the end here, copy that, go to our private key, open up Notepad, paste in here, save it. And once you have both of these saved, now what you can do is you want to go back to the Toric file. So we're going to go browse, Tor browser, data, Tor, open up our Toric, and what you'll do now is you want to change the hidden service directory. So if we open up here and we copy this directory and we paste it in here and save it, now Tor is going to look, he's going to look for this directory with our key and our host name inside of it. So if we start Tor, let's just take a second. I actually need to copy my host name again. So document and service host name. And now if we copy our host name, our brand new one that we generated, just copy this, paste it in here, press enter. Let's see if our custom domain works. And it might take a minute just to process everything, but it should work just fine. And there we go. We can see our website's working just fine on our new domain. So that was very simple. I just want to make this video just because I haven't seen any good videos on how to use Scallion. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.